Welcome to our guide on the Rohru to Chanshal Pass Trek, an exhilarating journey through one of Himachal Pradesh's hidden gems. If you're planning to embark on this adventure, stay tuned as we uncover everything you need to know, from the trek's highlights to tips for a safe and memorable experience. The Rohru to Chanshal Pass Trek is a 5 to 6 day journey that takes you through dense forests, sprawling meadows, and offers stunning views of the majestic Himalayan peaks. This trek, rated as moderate, is perfect for adventurers looking to experience nature up close without venturing into extreme conditions. Located at an elevation of over 4,200 meters, the Chanshal Pass is one of the highest points in the region. Known for its untouched beauty and serene landscapes, this pass is a true paradise for trekkers and nature lovers. The trek begins in the quaint town of Rohru, famous for its apple orchards. From there, the trail leads you through enchanting pine and deodar forests, crossing picturesque meadows and bubbling streams. Along the way, you'll pass through charming villages, each offering a glimpse into the rich culture of Himachal Pradesh. The journey to Chanshal Pass culminates in a breathtaking ascent, where the snow-clad peaks and valleys unfold before your eyes. It's an experience that's as rewarding as it is challenging. The best time to embark on this trek is from May to October. During these months, the weather is pleasant, the skies are clear, and the trails are alive with vibrant greenery and wildflowers. However, trekkers should always be prepared for sudden weather changes, especially at higher altitudes. To ensure a safe and enjoyable trek, here are some essential items you should pack. First, sturdy trekking boots. Next, a comfortable backpack with a rain cover. Warm clothing and thermals are also a must. If you plan to camp, don't forget a sleeping bag and tent. A first aid kit and necessary medications are crucial. Energy snacks and water bottles will keep you fueled and hydrated. And of course, don't forget your camera to capture the mesmerizing views. Here are some tips for a successful trek. Always trek with a guide or in a group for safety. Acclimatize yourself to the altitude by taking it slow. Respect nature. Avoid littering and stick to designated trails. Stay hydrated and listen to your body to avoid altitude sickness. The Rohru to Chanshal Pass Trek offers a perfect blend of adventure, natural beauty, and cultural experiences. It's an ideal escape for those looking to disconnect from the chaos of city life and reconnect with nature. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey to the Chanshal Pass. If you're planning your trek, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trekking guides and travel tips. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.